Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Tails Linux on a USB pen drive and how to boot it from the BIOS. So first things first, I have a 32 gigabytes of pen drive. You can have 8 GB or 16 GB any other pen drive. So just plug it into a PC. I'm going to show you how. Head over to just type in Tails and tails.it. You will get into this website. Install Tails Linux. Download Tails only for USB sticks. Select this option. So download the image. Select this option. It's around 1.9 GB. So okay, I have downloaded the Tails image. So let's head over to the Rufus website. We'll use this website to extract the image and install it to the USB. So choose the version. So mine is Windows 64. Download. Open the Rufus app and select the device. Select your USB. Disk or ISO image. Select this. So we download the Tails OS image. Select your image, the downloaded Tails. So it's going to take some time. So the image is ready and install in the USB.
Restart the PC, and when it's restarting, just press F12 or del key according to your motherboard. Mine is gigabyte, so I'm going to press F12. Yes, so just select this option, USB partition 1, hit enter. Tails 7.0, just hit enter. So it's going to take some time for the first boot. So language, VS, formats, so can leave it everything here, it's not a problem. So you are going to get this interface. So you can access the dark web using Tails Linux. It has amnesia programming. So basically every time you use some dark web or something using this Tails Linux OS, so when you remove the USB drive, it's going to forget everything. Tor browser, Tor connection, etc. Next video I'm going to show you how to access dark web using this Tails Linux OS, and I'm going to show you what's in the dark web, how to get into the websites, how to use the online browser, how to access the online links, etc.